Right, welcome back. It's a bit of an impromptu track day today. I've come down because there's something nice. It's going to be one of them videos where I'm just wincing at everything that comes past. But we're at Donington, obviously my local. I got a message from James Martin from JayEmm on Cars. This is his next track day. And I thought, it's my local, and he was nice enough to offer me a passenger seat. So I've brought the Golf down. One, because I don't like long journeys in the Lupo, and two, because I want to get this sound tested here to see if it's ready or if it needs exhaust work as well before hopefully Cadwell in May. So I've parked next to this absolutely incredible black Evo 6 with Alcon brakes and Enkey wheels, and it just makes you jealous because I want one of them. There's a super nice Ferrari over there as well. There is a red Ferrari behind there that's just been out on track, and if I open the door you can hear the lovely sound of race cars. So we're going to go and find James, then I'm going to go get signed on and get this tested hopefully. So yeah, it's in a minute. I don't know how well my little wind muff's going to hold up, but I'm signed on, got my helmet. I've actually brought my own helmet this time, which is good. So we're going to go and see the car now. Some really nice cars in here, honestly. So I'll be willing to put money on the fact that people on my channel know this. Hello! This is his car, obviously. And to be honest, if I had the money, I know the word dream gets flown around a lot on YouTube, but dream build.
If I had the money, I would love a car like this. That's alright, that's alright.
This is fantastic. You should already, but... It's a little bit dark in here, but this is an absolute machine. I know my barnet's a bit mess, so I'm just not going to move it. I hope it's not too dark in here. But so we had a little bit of an incident. We heard a noise, and obviously we both thought, oh fuck, something's wrong. So we pulled off onto the grass to get out of the way, to get out of the line, and ended up caking him in mud, like the fucking guy who was pushing us. Yeah, it's just like a clickbaity title. I probably won't do that. This is, I'm not exaggerating when I say this. This is like a dream car for me, like a dream build, I'd say. Buyable maybe in the future, but the stuff that's done to it, like the cage, like the steering wheel, and all the suspension, and it's incredible. And I just can't thank James enough for like just inviting me down. Really, I know it's something as simple as me driving half an hour, but I've met other people here who have been like really nice, and it's what track days are about. Like I've got here and I don't know anyone, I just know James, and you make friends and you just meet up, and that's it. This is an incredible car, and he's done the right thing by buying it, like buying it done. So yeah, that's been it. We'll say goodbye to him, and that's the end of the video. I'll do the awkward outro. Well, thank you for taking me out in it.
Pleasure, man.
Capable man, capable driver.
Yeah, I just got to clean it now.
Yeah. It's been fun, obviously meeting James as well and Luca.
Nice to meet you, mate.
Very nice people. So if you enjoyed, just leave a like, subscribe, obviously follow James if you don't already. Have you got your Instagram?
No, don't worry about it.
No Instagram, no scene. So yeah, see you in a bit.